Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by parking the 2008 Jeep Liberty on level ground and setting the parking brake. Safety first. Open the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Allow the engine to cool fully to below 100 degrees F so the cooling system pressure is safe. Place a drain pan under the radiator drain petcock and slightly open it to remove roughly 1 quart of coolant so the level drops below the thermostat housing. Gather tools: a 10 mm socket and ratchet, flat screwdriver, replacement thermostat and gasket, rags, and a bottle of 50/50 antifreeze. With coolant drained, loosen the clamp at the upper radiator hose where it meets the thermostat housing using a flat screwdriver or pliers. Twist and pull the hose free while catching remaining coolant. Remove the two 10 mm bolts that secure the thermostat housing. Keep track of bolt locations. Lift the housing straight off. Expect some residual coolant to spill. Then remove the old thermostat and note its orientation so the new unit faces the same way. Thoroughly scrape the housing and engine mating surfaces to remove old gasket material, corrosion, and debris until clean and smooth. Place the new thermostat into the block with the spring side toward the engine and install a new gasket or sealant per part instructions. Replace the thermostat housing and hand start the two 10 mm bolts, then tighten evenly until snug. Avoid over-torquing. Reconnect the upper radiator hose and secure the clamp. Refill the cooling system with a 50/50 antifreeze mixture until full, then reconnect the battery. Start the engine and allow it to reach normal operating temperature, approximately 180-200 degrees F. Watch for leaks. Cycle the heater to remove air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.